Oh, hello. I'm Dr. Răzvan Constantinescu. I'm the Honorary Consul of Romania in the southwest of England. I'm based in Bristol, and today is a very important day for the Romanian community in Bristol, for the British communities in the southwest, all of whom have very strong economic, tourist, academic, business links with Romania, and we look forward to strengthening this relationship. We look forward to increased traffic between these two countries, further strengthening the very important relationship that these two regions have.
I'm Pete Downs, Head of Aviation at Bristol Airport, and today is a very special day as we celebrate the inaugural service from Bristol Airport to Bucharest. It's the first ever scheduled service from the South West and Wales region to Romania, reflecting the continued growth that we're seeing here at Bristol Airport and our continued mission to offer ever greater travel possibilities and options to our customers.
My name is Luminița Palaniciuc. I work in Bristol Airport, and today it's our new flight for Bucharest from Bristol Airport to Bucharest, Romania. We are very excited about this flight and very happy.